Alright, welcome everyone. A little bit of change of pace today. I bought it's actually a blind box. I don't know what I got. I found this browsing around. I thought it looked cool, and the cheapest way to get it to check it out was to get a blind box and it was one of 7 things based on the 7 deadly sins, and basically they wouldn't tell you which one you're getting. You said send me one, which is what I did. And I say hopefully get in here and it'll suit me and I can add something else to the rotation of marble runs and models. Okay. A little bit smaller than I thought it was. But actually I guess not really. Let's see. Can't even find the top one. Okay, it's from, let's see, they don't even have the name on it. Anyway, it's MECROB, I don't know exactly how to pronounce it, MECROB, and it's a little metal guy, and, it's sort of, an assembly thing. Cool little tin for it. I sort of like that. Got I don't speak Chinese, so I don't know what that says, but we'll find out. Maybe something about party machine. Yeah, that'd say party machine. Maybe a machine party. Anyways, but that's it. Okay, so does that have anything else in it? No, that's just how they made the top. Okay. And came with a teeny tiny screwdriver. Everybody knows how much I love teeny tiny screwdrivers. Not quite as teeny tiny as some of my other teeny tiny screwdrivers. And then some metal pieces. And more metal pieces, and looks like bags of metal pieces in there. Oh, teeny tiny wrenches. Let's see, which one did I get? I don't know, it's not in English. Maybe it's in English on the other side. Or maybe it's not. Beelzebub, gluttony. Yes. Okay. Hope that's the one I got, cause that's the instructions I got, so that'll. But that's what I'm going to end up building. Like I said, I bought this one basically just to check out. Oh, these are really compact instructions. Okay, so it just... Alright. Okay. I definitely have to get my specs out to read this one. But, yeah, let's see how much of the stuff is loose and free and all that. Take a look at everything. Okay, these are just loose metal pieces. Got decoration on some of them there. Yeah, sort of standard. Oh, there's something really decorative right there. See if I can get a hold of it. Okay, pretty cool. I know that can't sound good on y'all then. Sorry about that. A lot of little pieces in there. Let's see what's certificate of approval. Let's see what the bags of little pieces are. Let's see. Yeah, I've got a certificate. I do have a certificate of approval, so it's approved, whatever it is. Okay, and this is sort of like a trading card thing, I think. Gluttony. That's like, say, this was. I'll try and remember to put a link in the description to the website, because this does look like it's pretty interesting. Get all of them out. Come on. Oh. That everything? Yeah. Okay. I say, so far it looks like it's gonna, I don't, as small as this thing appears it's gonna be, I may end up having to use the teeny tiny wrenches just to have access to everything. But I say, I got no problem with that. I don't mind. Say that might make things easier when it's all said and done. But like I say, we got a bunch of screws and nuts and washers. Okay, so that's the hardware part of it. This must be the actual guy or robot or whatever that's. Well, I guess I could. Oh no, he's not on the actual. Okay. So I don't. Basically, you could pay for the whole set, and I think it was. I can't remember how much it was. I'll have to look. But it was. You know, you could get. That's the only way to know you're going to get all of them. But like I said, I just wanted to get a look at the quality and workmanship of the figure and its pieces, because they do have several sets that I find very intriguing. If this one turns out nice, I'm definitely going to order some more, and that, like I said, work them into my rotation. The marble runs and everything's still going to stay. Like I say, I just finished up that stepped hoist on for U-gears. I've got one more. The tiered hoist is the one I've got left, so I'm looking forward to having all four of those sets together. So yeah, and like I think that's a cool little tin. Obviously, somewhere between here and China, it took a lick. I hope that's during shipping. No, there was not really much of a dent on it. I do like that. I don't know if he'll fit in there or not when he's all said and done, but that'll be cool too. But that's where that is. I'll start building him proper tomorrow. I just wanted to get him out and take a look at everything and see. I guess that's just dirty screwdriver. see what it's all about, and like I say, so stay tuned, and we'll see if I can make him end up looking like that. But none of these others really. Like I say, I just did this. I'm not really. This one looks cool, but I don't think you can order. You might be able to order just him. I don't know who he is. I don't know any of those other pieces are. But anyway, I've done said this about 4 times. I'm gonna think. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share, do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.